Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to, you know, activate the option of the letter of the songs in Spotify if the letters is not appears in your application. For example, maybe you need to do some of these actions. So, but for that letters of the songs, will activate in your application. So the first option is you need to verify in your Play Store if you got the ultimate version of Spotify. If it's not, you need to update that application. You need to go here in the Play Store, you search Spotify, and you need to verify in this blue button where set open, and not say update, because if say update, you need to update the application and maybe can resolve the problem. So the other option is go to settings, and here in the option of app management, and you need to go to app list, and here in app list you need to search Spotify, and in Spotify you need to go to the storage and cache, and here you need to pick here in the option of clear cache for delete all the trash memory of the application, and maybe that action resolve the problem. So remember, you need to check if you got the ultimate version of the app, and you can clear the cache of the app. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.